One of the most frequent questions data center teams are asking today is, how can I protect my uptime? Because maintaining uptime is just as critical as thermal efficiency. Direct-to-chip cooling operates in a very demanding environment. You're working with extremely narrow microchannels, a lot of copper exposure, and a push for near 100% uptime in these systems. So operators aren't just thinking about thermal efficiency, they're also balancing corrosion risk, maintenance efforts, and long-term system stability. While fluid like water does offer excellent heat transfer, without diligent maintenance, it can introduce ionic contaminants that accelerate corrosion, scaling, and fouling. In copper cold plates with very narrow microchannels, those issues tend to build quickly and put your uptime at risk. So the real question becomes, how do you create a more predictable fluid environment? That's where glycol-based fluids have the advantage. Instead of depending on perfect water chemistry and routine monitoring, glycol creates a more controlled and stable operating environment, especially when it's engineered specifically for direct-to-chip applications. DOWFROST LC heat transfer fluids are also engineered with a robust inhibitor package specifically designed for copper-rich systems. Instead of constantly reacting to chemistry changes, operators get a stable, predictable fluid environment that protects system integrity. There's also a maintenance advantage. Treated water systems often require frequent testing and intervention to prevent fouling or corrosion. Glycol systems are designed for long fluid life and typically require only biannual health checks and minimal intervention, reducing operational disruption and ongoing maintenance burden. At Dow, we help customers look beyond heat transfer alone. We combine material science experience, system-level understanding, and purpose-built coolant formulations to help operators choose a fluid strategy that protects uptime over the full life cycle of their direct-to-chip cooling systems. And as direct-to-chip cooling continues to scale with AI and high-performance computing, the decision is more than your coolant choice. It's about designing a cooling strategy that remains reliable over time. And when chemistry, materials, and operating conditions work together, teams gain the confidence to scale. And that's where the right fluid strategy makes all the difference.